Hi, my name's Justin Konda. Today I'm at McLaren Greenwich with the all-new McLaren 720S Spider. You'll notice an all-new efficient design where everything on the vehicle was made for the reason of nothing less than out-and-out performance. The McLaren 720S Spider still does have the McLaren dihedral doors, but on the 720S models you'll notice that it has a new design with a double skin door that leads into the radiator on the side of the vehicle for increased cooling. One of the greatest things about the McLaren 720S Spider is going to be the roof operation that is fastest in the market at 11 seconds up and 11 seconds down. Something specific that you'll notice in this McLaren 720S Spider I'm in is the Carmine Red leather seats that it has. That is a MSO option from McLaren Special Operations in Woking that you can order with the vehicle. You can get full leather and you can also do Alcantara in the full vehicle. Another very cool feature of the 720S, Spider and Coupe, is going to be the gauge cluster, where you can put it in track mode manually or automatically as you enter track, where the cluster will go down into a flat position for increased visibility on the track. One of the great things you'll find with the 720S Spider from McLaren is the active aero in the rear, as well as many applied technologies from the McLaren P1 that went right into the McLaren 720S. Thank you guys for visiting us today at McLaren Greenwich. You can find us in Greenwich, Connecticut on 348 West Putnam Avenue. And you can also email me, Justin Konda, at jkonda@millermotorcars.com for all your 720S Spider questions or any other McLaren inquiries.